Hey everyone, I'm Rachel, and in today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to do a super cool smeared pastel background using the Color Therapy app. This is a really fun technique that works well for any of the typography images, and it's also really simple to accomplish. Okay, so I chose this image because it already has a bunch of cool little lines going on in the background, so we're going to use that to our advantage. So let's go under the color palette. So in the glow palette, you'll want to choose some of the very brightest colors there. So the bright blues, turquoise, greens, yellows, and pinks. And for example, what you want to do is just tap to fill in one section and then use another color that is close to it and sort of just like work your way down that palette, tapping to fill in the colors. And you're just going to basically rainbow it. So the color that's going to come next to that is going to be an orangish. And then I might do like a pink here, and then maybe a purple there. So I'm just going to continue to fill it in that way. You also want to color in the fonts and the little border around it too. And you'll see why in a little bit. Then once you're all done coloring it in, go into the basic palette and just choose a basic white, and then go under the manual mode and select the spray tool. Set the size to 100 and the opacity at 55. And you want to set coloring inside the lines mode to off. Now we're just going to spray a nice light layer over the entire image. So we're kind of just basically pasteling these colors. And of course you could also use the pastel palette if you want to do this initially, but I just really like the colors from the glow palette. Now go under the eraser tool and select smear. Set the size to 100 and the intensity to 35. And this is the fun part, so you basically just get to blend and smear as you go. So just go crazy with it, have fun with it. You can go up and down a lot. If you pull your finger down a lot in one area, you'll have some really neat smears. Same thing if you go upwards with your finger. And then for some more intense strips, you can raise the intensity to 100 and just lower the size down to 30 or 40%. And that will really bring out some unique patterns. And then what I would recommend doing is going underneath the effects tab and just checking your work and see how it looks, and just remove the lines to see how the background is looking. You really want to blend in all the text and everything so that you can't see it anymore. So I'm basically going in a up and down jagged motion, sort of like I'm drawing mountains for this. That's the way you'll get the best results. And last but not least, your final step is just to tap to fill in the text. I'm just using a plain black for that. And then I go into the effects tab and remove the lines, and that's it. Here's the finished effect. You can also try this with different colors or making the text look like gold leaf. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.